Hi everyone, in this video we will be checking out the VOCAEASE AI Translation Ring. It is a versatile, ergonomically designed translation tool for users to use. Inside the box, users will find one VOCAEASE AI Translation Ring. Next out we have the charging cable included to charge up the translation ring. Next out is a pack of user guide packed nicely in the box. An adapter is also provided. On first impressions, the VOCAEASE AI Translation Ring looks to be of good quality. It has a metallic material to it, and feels good to the touch, very solid. It also works as a phone holder too. A metallic ring can be folded down. It also has a rotatable design to it and can be moved around. If you have clipped it on the back of your phone, don't worry, the stand can work vertically too. Charging it up can be simple too. Simply place the magnetic charging cable near it and it will auto-connect. To use the VOCAEASE, you can download the VOCAEASE app on your phone's app store. It downloads quickly, and once you download it, connect to the VOCAEASE AI Translator via Bluetooth. After connecting, return to the app and it is connected. Simply press and hold the VOCAEASE button to translate, and the translated words will come out from the phone speakers.
你好，你好吗？你好。
Moving on the main features, first is the voice or video calling live translation tool. Select between the caller language and your local spoken language. You can call friends or family on app and send them a link to join the call. The app auto detects what is said between you and the other party and translate into the language set. Very convenient. It works in many different languages too. Many different languages for me to use in different countries when I travel. There is cross-application translation too. If you enabled the feature, chat on other apps and translate a foreign language you set into one you understand. Conversation translation works fine too. Hold down a selected language to translate it and it will appear as a conversation chat log for you to refer to. Check out the demo I did.
I'm doing fine, currently in USA.
我目前在美国很好。
你好，我很好。
Hello, I'm fine.
The voice is clear and translate accurately. Audio transcription works great for meeting logs. During a meeting I can set a language for it to audio transcribe into words, and it does it accurately during my test. Check it out in the demo I did.
Hello, what's up? Today's meeting will consist of work that will cover what we did a few days ago. Thank you for coming. Let us begin.
Live simultaneous translation is also done with ease and viewable on the app. Very convenient and easy to use. The app is also good as it can detect words from pictures and translate them into a language you understand, like from here, English to Chinese. Overall, I find the VOCAEASE AI Translation Ring a simple to use and innovative device, useful for travelers who need live translation when you are somewhere foreign. It has a future planned inclusion of ChatGPT Whisper in its software, useful for translations. If you want to find out more about the VOCAEASE AI Translator Ring, find out more in the description section of the video. Thank you for watching.